you all? I hope all of you are doing well at home. Today we are going to talk about food and water. Okay, that is from your EVS part, lesson number 6. Okay, so while you watch this video, all of you open the book, lesson number 6, food and water. Food and water. Okay, this chapter you have to open it and you need to look your book. Okay, so firstly let's start from food. Let's talk about food first. So first of all, you tell me, why do we need food? Okay, we need food to live, to grow and to get energy. Okay, food is very necessary. It is very important for us to live, right? Without food we cannot live. So not only for us, for all the living things food is very necessary. Like animals, birds, even plants need food, right or not? So for all the living things, food is very necessary. Okay, now let's talk about different types of food. So do you eat every day? Do you eat the same food every day? I think no. We don't eat the same food every day, right? We eat different types of food, different kinds of food. Okay? So these different kinds of food help us in different way. Okay? So we need to eat different kind of food to become healthy and strong, like bread, rice, roti, sugar, potatoes and butter. This kind of food give us energy to work and play. Okay, and like milk, eggs, fish, meat and dal. This kind of food help us to grow. Okay, and fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. Okay, so these different kinds of food help us in different way. Okay, now meals that we eat every day. We eat 3 big meals in a day. In a day we eat 3 times. We eat 3 times, right? We have breakfast in the morning. Okay, the meal which we take in the morning, that is called breakfast. Okay, and it is our first meal of the day. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. It is our first meal of the day. It helps us to start the day with a lot of energy. Okay, we have lunch in the afternoon. In the afternoon, which we take the meal which we take in the afternoon, that is called lunch. Okay, it is our second big meal of the day. Okay, lunch is the second big meal. We have dinner at night. Okay, at night, which meal we take at night, that is dinner. Okay, it is our last meal of the day. It should not be a very heavy meal. Okay, at night we should not eat heavy meal. Okay, we also eat small meal in between the big meals. Okay, in these big meals, between these big meals sometimes we eat small meals also, right? So from where do we get our food? Okay, from where do we get our food? Some food we get from plants, right? And some foods we get from animals. Okay, food that we eat comes from plants and animals. We get fruits, vegetables, cereals such as rice and wheat, pulses and nuts. These kinds of foods we get from plants. Okay, and we get milk, meat, eggs and honey. This kind of foods we get from animals. Alright, now let's talk about some good habits at the dining table. Okay, we should follow some healthy habits when we eat food, like wash hand before and after meal. As you know that we should wash our hand before and after meal. Okay, before you eat the meal and also after you finish the meal, we should wash our hand properly, right? chew it very nicely. Understood? We should not waste the food. Okay, we should not waste our food. Understood? So these are some good habits which you should follow. Okay, now let's talk about water. Water is very important for us, right? Water is very important for us, and we use water in many work, in many purposes. Okay, we also need water to wash, to drink, and cook food. Okay, we all drink water when we are thirsty, right? When we are thirsty, we drink water, is it? And some animals like fish and crab live in water. Okay, not only we human beings need water, but also animals, birds, they also need water, and even plant. Okay, as food, water also, we all the living beings, all the living things need water as food. Okay, as they need food, in the same way they need water also. Okay, so and some animals live in water also, right? Like fish and crab, they live in water. Okay, animals and birds need water too, as I have told now. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood what I said now, what I have explained you about food and water. Okay, so this chapter is completed now, and activities of this chapter we will do later on. Okay.